the most significant challenge to Roe v. Wade in a generation.
Many believe the implications of the Mississippi case could be far-reaching, potentially curbing the 1973 landmark ruling.
Abortion opponents hailed this as something a long time coming.
While many applaud the judge's decision, Abby Johnson points out it will not stop abortions.
The fact that this was upheld does not mean that second trimester abortions cannot move forward in the state of Texas. They absolutely can. They just can't be done through a D&E abortion.
Pro-choice advocates argue the law, known as SB 8, outlaws often the safest methods of abortion during this phase of pregnancy and insist fetuses cannot feel pain at this point.
It is still possible and legal to get abortion in Texas. And, I'm very concerned because these laws are so intended to sow disinformation and chaos before we have time to rely on some of our backstops and our protests, essentially, to stop these horrible bans.
Meanwhile, Johnson says she's encouraged the courts, as in the Mississippi case, are starting to focus less on the procedure itself and more on the life at stake.
One of the reasons that case is so powerful, and even more powerful than like a dismemberment abortion case, is because it's not looking at a type of abortion procedure. It's not looking at the abortion itself at all. It's looking at the preborn human being, which is what we need to be focusing on in the first place.
As for the Texas law, it is one of many abortion restrictions enacted in recent years by Republican-controlled state legislatures. But this one has never been enforced due to legal challenges. In Washington, I'm Tara Mergener, CBN.